Today, I'll show you how to make these printable playing cards available now on our Etsy shop and attempt to read your mind with a simple magic trick at the end of the video. The link to this template is in the description below, and to make your playing cards, all you have to do is to print out the template double-sided on 65-pound cardstock. Then, use the gray borders as guides to cut the deck, shuffle it, and deal them out. When you're done playing with your cards, however, you'll need to put them away in their box, which you can make by cutting out the top of the box template and then cutting into the paper along all the lines shown. This will create 4 tabs, which we will later paste to the inside of the box. And they will also serve as guides so that you can fold the template to create the sides of your box. Once folded, simply apply glue to the 4 blue tabs and paste them to the inside of the box to create a box. To make the bottom of the box, simply follow all the steps I already showed you before. For the top of the box, it's the same. Additionally, if you're enjoying the video so far, consider subscribing to make sure that you never miss out on any of our future printable craft projects, some of which are free, so take a look at our channel when you get a chance. Now, with the top and bottom of the box finished, all you have to do is to cut out this piece. Then, use the dotted lines to fold the paper in opposite directions to create a this. Then, apply glue to the opposing sides and paste it to the inside of your box to create a mini divider for your playing cards. And now, as promised, a magic trick of miniature proportions is coming your way. In just a moment, I will show you 6 cards. I want you to choose one card. Then, I'll read your mind and magically remove the card you chose from the set of 6. Ready? Pick one card and burn it into your memory. Just keep thinking about it. This will make it easier for me to read your mind. Now, to make sure neither you nor I know where the card you chose is, I will shuffle the cards before placing them on the top of the deck and give them a few magic waves to make sure that the card you chose will be missing from the next 5 cards I place down. Are any of these cards your card? Of course not, because I already removed your card with magic. If you got fooled or know how the trick was done, then let me know in the comments below and subscribe today to keep up to date with everything printable.